Hey there, it's Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes up here in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. Just stopped by today to do a quick update on our net zero renovation. As you can see, all the timber works now in front of the house are all complete. The guys are working on the soffit. You can see just up at the third floor there, soffit in place. And they will be moving their way down to complete the soffit on the second floor. And of course, all the structural timber soffitting is done for the recently framed component over the front entry there behind me. Works inside. We've got the kitchen showing up next week. Tile and hardwood flooring is done. So let's walk around and get a quick update on progress to date. Here we have the structural soffit on the roof over the deck. And of course, as we move down here, the boys are just completing the soffit on the lower deck, and of course we've got the hot tub wrapped up and ready to go. Got dropped in this week, so we can finish the decking on this bottom floor and be done back here, and then we're ready for siding. Look at the side of the house as we're getting ready to start installing siding. The boys are just helping the roofer there with the last bit of metal fascia. As you can see, the scaffolding is in place, and most of the rain screening is done, and really looking forward to siding starting next week, delivery tomorrow. Let's do a fast forward tour through the house. Of course, interior doors ready to go. We're going to start millwork, base and case, doors, etc. next week when the kitchen comes in. Drywall, of course, paint all complete. We've seen this before. IKEA vanities, they're going in some of the bathrooms, are assembled and ready for install. There's another one right there. Some IKEA PAX units assembled, ready to go. Of course, everything ready here in the kitchen for cabinet install by Sofo Kitchens next week. Of course, we're still waiting on our delinquent, beautiful sliding biparting door, but hopefully that'll show up in the next 4 weeks or so. Painters just working well. Great shout out to TCP Painting for all their hard work and wonderful finish that we've got going on here. Stair treads are coming in a week or so. Just quickly go up to the top floor. Up onto the master bathroom floor, master bedroom floor. Of course, tile by Continental Tile is all finished up here. Waiting for plumbing finish, vanities and all that good stuff. And then of course master bedroom, and through the glare of the light, the wonderful view of Fitzsimmons Creek. And of course, just in the background there, Whistler Mountain. So thanks for joining us. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel or follow us along on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks.